Hello out there, this is day 9 on the project Volvo, the 240. We are still finding holes and welding them up, but we are winning slowly. Today I hope to get this rear section done, so it looks like a car again. Yesterday we managed to achieve this side. All cut in and ground down nicely. And the door's on to do the door gap. Everything lines up still, everything's gone really nice. Certainly a lot more attached than the old one. Sounds good too.
Proper solid.
All the holes have been welded in the doors, which is nice. It means less water's going to get in the car. Leanne's done her first big patch all by herself. Well, not all by herself, but her first big patch. A little bit more grinding, and we've got to reshape the bottom of this, but that's not a problem, so we'll deal with that. So
finish off the holes.
You're going to finish off the door
and the boot lid.
And the boot lid, and I'm going to get that other quarter welded up, hopefully today. Yeah, it's great. Let's get on with it.
Another day.
Another day. We are knackered.
So tired. We're going to have
so tired.
Such a lie-in when this is finished.
Yeah. Week off.
A week off to
Holiday
recover.
To the Bahamas. Right,
let's go.
Hey guys, we have our first patch welded in on day 9. Now we're going to repair this sill. There's an ugly bit of welding there, but we're not going to worry about that. So let's get the old bit, and we can use that as a pattern, and we're going to make a nice new piece. Yeah, have a piece of metal, so let's get to folding. Guys, this is our old panel. As you can see, it's some better days. This is our offcut of steel, and first thing we need to do is square an edge off so we can make a new one. So we're going to make it that way around. This seems to have a fold there and there, and then a little roundy bit there, and this edge here. We'll worry about that after we've folded all the folds. Shouldn't be too hard to do, so we're going to mark it out on here first. It is quite 90 degrees. There we go. I really should get one of the magnetic angle things. For that.
Yeah.
Cool. Right. Next fold is the opposite direction. And it's about there. More rounded though, isn't it?
We're going to have to put the rollers together again.
No, we can get away with it. I'm not going to worry about that bit there. Sorry for the noise. Fold is nowhere near a deep fold, so pop it in. Oh, like it's exactly to there. That's cool, isn't it? Make it flat. So what we're looking at. It's not quite 45. Where are we? That way. Let's do a little kink first. Let's see how that is. Not a bad guess.
That's not bad at all, that.
Right, next fold is, this one's more of a roll than a fold, though, isn't it? So we'll do the same thing again. We need to find the starting point of the radius, which is approximately there. We'll mark this side as well. And down to over here. This time we're going to go over this way to the roller.
Oh, that's what I said. Do we need to put the top roller back on?
No, we're okay.
We're alright.
I'm also going to mark the other side. So we know roughly where it is. I'm going to put it. No, we don't need the whole roller for this. Roll that side in. You want to make sure that the marks are where it's contacting the metal of the rollers. And just give it a gentle push. I left the other bit over there.
Good.
A little bit more. We'll be there. So pop it back in. Fits on snug the way you had it before. Give it a little bit more push. Give it another check. That's not bad. I think we'll get away with that. We can use that on the car easy peasy. I don't think there's any. Is that whole piece curved?
It's definitely curved through there.
Yeah. Is that curved or is that just because it's come off the car and been battered around a bit?
You see? It's more straight going up the top. There is a curve back in, but it could have...
We could just do a little couple of bends like this. Make it some sort of curve going on. Would be easier if the rollers were assembled.
Do you want to pick up the roller?
Oh no, let's see how heavy it is.
I know, we took it off, we could put it on.
I know, but... Rollers assemble!
Okay.
Got a little bit of a curve in there now. Help emulate that. I think we're good to make sure there's a little bit too much material this side. We're going to mark this, mark across the top. We can put it in guillotine to cut that first. Cut that, cut this excess away, fold that bit over, and that should be good to go.
Good.
That easy.
That easy.
To make stuff.
That easy.
Clamps on it. Hold it in place. Mark where the fold's going to be. We'll mark over here where the excess needs to go away. So we're gonna, all of that's got to go. All of that's got to go. We're not going to worry about that bit until it's on the car, and we'll trim it there. So, back in the guillotine with it. It's always good to leave a bit of excess just in case. Right, we can say this is looking like a Volvo sill section. That'd probably be easier to cut with an angry grinder. So
back to the booth.
Back to the studio.
Back to the room of doom.
Now the room of doom. That's what this one is. Cool. Yeah, I'm done in here. Well, I'll be back to fold that bit, maybe. Looks like it's going to be good. Look at that. Easy peasy.
That's lovely, that.
So we're going to use the angry grinder. We're going to cut this excess away. You can't do that with a grinding disc. Lock and load the cutting disc. Put our ear defenders on. Cut that chunk off. Right, that's the shape it's supposed to be. Now all we've got to do is put this fold in and it's done.
Amazing.
Right, we need just to do this end fold here, so we're going to offer this up to it. Hold it on the line on the inside, like that, ish, and then mark it down here. That's the original part. Probably goes something like that. So now we've just got to fold that over. A little bit too much metal in there. So put that in the folder, fold it over. Always worth double checking everything. Yeah, that's going to look great. Fold that there. And it's done. So folder. Look at this. And fold. I know it's very flat compared to that's very curved, but we can now go to the shrinker stretcher and put a curve in it. So let's go to the shrinker stretcher.
Say that again.
Let's go to the shrinker stretcher. And my shrinker stretcher is on wheels, so I can wheel it around the workshop. A couple of locks to hold it in place, nice and stable. And these are the shrinking jaws. You have a look into that. When you stand on the pedal, they pull the steel in. So, before, be gentle with these foot operated ones because they are quite good at their job. Double check it. Get in there. Maybe a touch more. One in the middle. not bad at all. I think we'll accept that. Easy peasy.
Done.
Patch made. Yeah.
Oh, I'd say that was not bad at all, that.
We'll take that as a win. Don't look at that welding. Shh. Yeah.
Job's done.
Well, now, because I made it too long, we can mark it on there, trim it on the car, bosh some holes into here, plug welds, weld, finished. Let's get some of the sand out of the sill first though. Look at all this sand.
Oh my god. Yeah, blow them out.